This is a code challenge for black. White's ice base is very big, so black must try to make use of some of the weaknesses in white's shape. If black tries to reduce ice base, that's not going to work. So black must try something like this, right? One ideal scenario would be something like this. This way, white will be dead. But the problem with number 1 is that white will connect here, and when black plays something like this, 1 and 3 will be trapped. And now black can capture here, and white can start this code. So that's one way black can start the code, it seems like. If black stands down, that's not going to work. Seems like G18 right here, number 4 is a key point. So black will be forced to capture here, and white will make another VOI here. So number 3 here will not work. But number 3 here seems to work. Or white can play this, and this will also be a code. But of course, the code we saw earlier is better for white, because white captures first. Black can also play here, it seems like. If white plays here, then black can extend here, and white will actually die, because if white connects here, black will connect back, and this is a square 4 shape, so white is already dead. If white plays from this side, then black can connect with number 5. So white needs to be really careful here. If white connects here, then black can play this move. If white plays here, we'll go back to the first variation we saw. White will be dead this way. So white must connect here, and now black can capture this stone. This way there won't even be a code, because white will fail no matter what. If you throw in, this is a tari, so white will fail. If white plays here, then black can play right here. If white captures, then black can Atari here. So once again, white will fail. So that's why number 2 here doesn't work for white. So white can play here instead. And once again, this will be a code. Black will Atari, and white can just Atari and play through this code. Black, of course, cannot connect, because this way, black will be captured. So the best black can do is probably this cut. White will capture first. If black manages to capture back, does white have a local code threat? The answer is yes, it's right here, threatening to make 2 eyes. So if black wants to kill the whole white group, it must play here, and white captures back, and the code will continue this way. So overall, it seems like there are 2 ways. Black can start a code here or here. Of course, the subsequent moves are pretty complicated, so make sure you go through as many variations on your own as you can, and let me know if you run into any problems. Thank you for watching.